Salon Palava, everyone. My name is Sinuno Janet Tawilili. My parents are Lokongi Tawilili and Richard McCullough. My grandparents are Sinuno Tawilili and Lilo Tawilili. I am 15 years old. I go to William Christian High School. This is my first year of high school. My favorite subject to do is just stay home, take care of my parents. I play volleyball. I used to in 7th and 8th grade. This year I'm going to start playing basketball for my first year. I do track, I throw. My favorite thing to do is sleep and eat. Thank you.